Hey you guys, Matt here with Steven this weekend in his 2017 Subaru. This weekend we're heading up to Palomar Mountain in Southern California just for a weekend of possibly fishing and camping. So let's get this adventure started. This is our spot for the night. So we just parked the car, now it's time to explore the area. We're gonna go on to a historic site in the region, oh my. Found a woodpecker's entire winter harvest. Look up this tree. Wowza. It goes all the way up. It's insane. The place we're headed is called Scotts Creek Historical Site. Let's see what it looks like. It's just up the hill. Well, this is kind of a letdown. This is Scott's cabin. Not much of a cabin here. From my guesstimate, I'm guessing someone just kind of picked up the logs and threw this together. Can't imagine this is the actual site. What do you think, Steven?
Looks pretty good to me.
Now time for a little break. We should have brought our hammocks. This is a really cool area. But time for some water and just kind of chill for a bit. Catch of the day. Little guy. I'm gonna barbecue him over the fire pit, but we'll see how it goes. I have steak also, so that'll work. Look at this. I went to the store on the way out because I forgot butter. This was the cheapest butter. Sculpture of a turkey. Yes, it is November now. I can't get over this. It's a turkey full of butter. So do some butter, and then add some garlic powder. Oh yeah. Looks good. I'll keep that going for a little while. Ooh, thank you, man. There we go, the garlic powder burned a tiny bit on top, but squeezed it into the little pan and there we are.
Welcome to Food Prep with Steven. Yum.
That's kind of spooky. We had to leave our campsite, a group of like, what? How large would you say that family was?
They're a large family.
Like 15 people.
They're a
split
big
between two
family.
campsites. It was too much. So we're just, you can't see anything if I flip the camera, but we're just walking in an open field. And I just completely lost my night vision by shining this flashlight in my face. So we're exploring at night. Now we have our fire going. Chilling here. Good morning, everyone. I've got my coffee. I'm just going on a little hike this morning while Steven's still asleep. I was gonna fish down by the pond, but it's 7 o'clock and it's already packed down there. So thought I might just have a quiet little walk. So let's get going. Third round of breakfast going. Steven has his. I'm going for seconds. Look how cool that VW bus is. Pond's right there. And there. That's coincidentally where I had my 5th grade camp for a few days. And then big meadow. I should have filmed the sunrise this morning right over here, but it was nice. Good way to end a trip.